Welcome to the magic, only at IFA. Welcome to the biggest show ever.
और हम पहुंच गए हैं दी एक्सोटिक एंड लग्जूरियस यास आइलैंड अबू धाबी में।
एंड ऑनेस्टली बता तो क्या जगह चुनी है, यास आइलैंड अबू धाबी। आई मीन यहाँ पे सब कुछ है। यास बे है, यास मरीना सर्किट है, फरारी वर्ल्ड है, वाटर वर्ल्ड है, शॉपिंग है, थीम पार्क्स है। आई मीन सब कुछ है। बेसिकली एंटरटेनमेंट एंटरटेनमेंट एंटरटेनमेंट।
अब हमारे सुपरस्टार्स के साथ यास आइलैंड के अमेजिंग वर्ल्ड क्लास एक्सपीरियंसेस ट्राई करने का वक्त आ गया है।
Okay.
Are we ready, guys?
I am ready. I'm stoked.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mohit, yeah.
This way.
Sorry. कुछ स्टार्स का टैलेंट हमसे इतना अलग होता है कि हमें पागल कर देता है। और आज अबू धाबी यास आइलैंड फरारी वर्ल्ड में मैं एक ऐसे स्टार से मिलने जा रहा हूँ और यही है जिन्हें अबू धाबी यास आइलैंड आके पूरा हक है ये कहने का, हाय गर्मी। Finally, it's time to welcome the glamorous, the exciting Miss Nora Fatehi. How are you doing?
Hello,
It's
how
so
are
good
you?
to see you. It's so good to see you.
see you.
So I believe that this is the first time that you're in IFA.
Yeah, so this is the first time I'm attending IFA and performing at IFA. For the last 4 to 5 years, I would watch IFA every year and just be like, yeah, I hope I'll be there one day, you know. And if I was there, I will do this on stage and do that on stage. So it's quite cool. It's been, you know, when you have a bucket list and you check
Absolutely.
it, I'm there checking it, you know. So
अब हम थोड़ा सा एक गेम खेलते हैं।
let's go.
अब मैं आपको कुछ ऐसे हिंदी के शब्द, ऐसे लफ्ज आपको कहूंगा।
Difficult वाले, है
थोड़े
ना?
डिफिकल्ट वाले। आपको मतलब नहीं बताना है, बस एक सेंटेंस में उन्हें इस्तेमाल करना है जो आपको सही लगे।
Okay.
Yeah?
हाँ.
So shall we go?
Yes.
First word is चिकित्सक।
चिकित्सक। मेरा चिकित्सक नहीं, मेरा चिकित्सक हो गया जब उसको देखा।
Okay, now I'm going to tell you the meaning and now say it with the English meaning.
Okay.
Doctor.
My doctor who has happened when I saw him.
All right, so the
I
next word is how would your mother react if Nora saying no to all rishtas कि मेरे को किसी से शादी नहीं करनी है इनमें से।
Okay. Of course, you're useless. They don't want you. Why you want them? They don't want you. Go, go. That's what she should say.
You should. I don't think that's true. I don't think that's
Oh,
true.
trust me. She'd be like, you're the useless one. Chal यहाँ से.
चल यहाँ से।
Yeah.
Okay, Nora is being busy on her phone all the time.
हाँ, yeah. Just be on your phone. We're not here only. No, you're just living life alone. It's your world. We're living in it. Yeah.
This is the culture we've gone into.
That is it.
All right, I know one thing that you love adventure.
Okay.
There is a wonderful surprise waiting for us, which
Is
is
there?
gonna like it's gonna be exciting and it's gonna
Oh
give us
my
an
God.
adrenaline pump. Are you ready for it?
I'm really excited.
So shall we head to the roller
Let's
coaster?
head. I'm really excited.
I'm excited.
I love roller coaster rides.
Shall we? Shall
Yeah,
we race?
let's
Shall
go.
we race? Shall we race?
Oh my God, I can't believe I'm doing this like a day before my performance. Like, what if my face flies off?
I don't think so. That's gonna happen. I really don't think so.
0 to 250 kilometers in what?
240 kilometers in like 5
40.
seconds.
I'll come back with no face. I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was so crazy. Oh, it was so fast. But what an adrenaline rush. I enjoyed myself.
Fantastic.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you, Nora. Thank you for doing
take
this with
care.
us.
Bye, guys.
See
Take
you.
care. Bye.
See you.
मेरी प्यारी दुलारी आइफा फैमिली, we're at Climb, Yas Island, Abu Dhabi का fabulous state of the art, the biggest indoor skydiving chamber. How cool is that? एंड आई नो कि आप सब भी यहाँ उड़ना चाहते हैं, पर जिन पर आज पर लगने वाले हैं ना, वो अपनी रियल लाइफ में वैसे भी उड़ते रहते हैं। इनकी हीरोपंती के आगे सबकी हीरोपंती छोटी बच्ची हो जाती है। Here we have Mr. Tiger Shroff. Hi.
Hello, what's up?
Thank you so much for doing
Thanks
this.
for having me.
You know, I've been told multiple times that you're extremely shy, and that I have to like break you today and get you to really talk. Is that true?
So break me.
Wow, that sounds like a challenge. Your entire Choti Bachchi Ho Gaya has become a full-on meme.
I don't know what actually is gotten so viral about that line. It's quite
I
random
think
because it was 8 years ago when I had said
Yeah.
that dialogue. And now that it's picking up now, it's quite funny.
We also got to know recently that how you got to be called Tiger, because you used to.
I used to actually bite people when I was younger, so it's quite funny, yeah.
Who did you bite? I want to know all about it.
All my father's friends, mother's friends, whoever used to come over, so embarrassing. And I'm sorry for, you know,
It's not embarrassing. I think
if you're one of the
it's pretty
people who I've bitten and you were watching this, I'm really sorry.
cool. But it gave you a cool name.
Yeah.
It gave you a pretty
Yeah.
cool name. What are the other sides to Tiger Shroff, like which we don't know about?
I like to eat a lot. I'm a big foodie.
I do not
तो
believe
नहीं
that.
यार, तो बहुत कंट्रोल करना पड़ता है because I eat just about everything and I have a major sweet tooth, so a lot of ice cream, a lot of chocolates.
What else? What else?
वड़ा पाव से लेकर burgers से लेकर pasta, pizzas. I love Japanese food.
And that's a great segue for us to go where we're supposed to go.
कहाँ
Are you
जा
ready
रहे हैं?
for indoor skydiving?
Indoor skydiving. Wow. बाप रे, गिरेंगे तो कैसे लगेगा? यार, I'm scared of heights. I'm scared. You know, every time I do a action sequence or stunts in my films, I'm very scared. So this is something that looks very scary.
Just a little bit. Arms with your eyelid. It's hard here, but inside it. If it's too tight, it's not.
And there he goes! Woo! This is like Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, but in air, as you can see. Oh my God, look at that! That's insane! Woo! This is actually second nature for him. This is how he lives his life. Always in air, उड़ते हुए. How was the experience?
Liberating, yeah. It was fun and I learned a new skill today. Yeah.
आज ना मैं थोड़ी नर्वस भी हूँ और बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड भी, क्योंकि आज जो हमारी गेस्ट है वो टांग खींचने में माहिर है। इनफैक्ट वो इसे इतनी परफेक्शन के साथ करती है कि बंदा हंस रहा होता है और उसे ये भी नहीं पता होता कि जोक उस पर मारा गया है। Well guys, she's a producer, a director, a choreographer, a judge. She dons many hats. अब तक तो आपने गैस कर ही लिया होगा कि मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ। The one and only supremely talented Farah Khan. Well guys, इस वक्त मैं हूँ W Hotel Abu Dhabi के गराज रेस्टोरेंट में और हमें यहाँ पे ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं the first ever Indian chef to get a Michelin star. Yes, he's the one and only Vineet Bhatia. और साथ में वो हमें सिखाने वाले हैं some very interesting fusion Indian dish. आज आप शेफ का हैट पहनने वाले हैं फारा?
नहीं, शेफ का हैट सिर्फ शेफ पहन सकते हैं, मैं शेफ का एप्रन पहन दूंगा।
Okay, great. So let's start with that. Let's get geared up.
We are going to make a chaat.
चाट
In Abu Dhabi.
That truly is high
आइफा की चाट.
वैसे बॉलीवुड में बहुत लोग चाटते हैं मतलब लेकिन ये पहली बार मैं आइफा की चाट सुन रही हूँ।
ये आइफा की चाट है, आप उंगली चाट लोगे बाद में.
ठीक है, चलो।
First thing what we'll do is we'll take a little bowl and we're going to make a little salsa or a salad.
Lovely.
So season of mangoes,
फ्रेश मैंगो चाट।
mango chaat. Edamame beans, which have been soya beans, slightly blanched.
Why you spoiling the chaat by putting healthy stuff in it?
अरे नहीं, अब बाकी सामान तो घुसेगा बाद में ना. धीरे-धीरे. थोड़ी green
I'm
chili.
putting less edamame. ये ग्रीन चिली खा के
ग्रीन चिली से मुझे याद आया, ओह वंडरफुल, ग्रीन चिली से मुझे याद आया फारा, अगर आप बॉलीवुड में से किसी को ग्रीन चिली वाला अवार्ड देना चाहें
हाँ।
तो आप किन्हें देंगे और क्यों?
तीखा मिर्ची मैं करण जौहर को दूंगी
ओके
क्योंकि वो ना ऐसा तीखा है और वो ना खाने में ऐसा वो
कुछ
डालता
डालेगा।
है हाँ,
Right.
डालता है और यानी आपकी जबान भी जल जाती है कभी
ओके सो द तीखी मिर्ची अवार्ड गोes टू करण जौहर.
Fresh chopped ginger.
चॉप जिंजर.
Then coconut.
वैसे गेलन मैं बता दूं कि शेफ और मैं बात कर रहे थे and you will not believe we've turned out to be
Neighbors.
neighbors from like 50 years ago,
What?
झूठारा.
40 years ago.
ये सिर्फ आईफा वीकेंड स्टोरीज
यही
पे
हो
हो
ही
सकता है.
मतलब मनमोहन देसाई की पिक्चर हो गई है. कश्मीरी चिली ड्राइड फ्लेक्स.
चलिए लेट्स टॉक अबाउट योर आईफा एक्सपीरियंस.
Okay.
आर यू एंजॉयिंग द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ
I'm
आईफा दिस ईयर?
loving
इस
it.
साल तो आप होस्ट भी करिए विद अपार शक्ति.
आईफा में पहली बार होस्ट करने जा रही हूँ. So I'm nervous also.
Are you?
But yeah, of course, when you get up on that stage and you see the arena, you get nervous. But I feel कि कल सारे मेरे दोस्त वहाँ बैठे होंगे and all, तो it'll be good fun.
Right.
और पहले nervous होंगे और फिर जब माइक मेरे हाथ में आता है
एक बार माइक फराह खान के हाथों में आ गई. That's it.
बस then I'm in my element.
Game over. Alright.
Taste that.
Yeah, the हो गया चाट.
बॉलीवुड में से बेस्ट डाइनिंग कंपेनियन कौन?
अरे मलाइका likes to eat.
Yeah.
She eats. Deepika also eats. Once
Yeah.
in a way, whenever they come home or they ask me to get food, they
They
eat.
enjoy their
They
food.
enjoy. They may be starving after that for 1 month. I don't know, but that time they really dabao and eat.
Wonderful. आपके हिसाब से आप बेस्ट क्या बनाती हैं?
मेरे हिसाब से मैं बेस्ट फिल्में बनाती हूँ.
तालियां. I think you deserve a round of applause for that answer. Guys, what's happening
ये
now?
क्या हो गया
We
शेफ?
will do one of the favorite South Indian tadka.
Okay.
Raai में डालेंगे chopped garlic, lots of it. The tadka goes inside the chaat. Aloo, ubla hua aloo.
Alright, chef. What are we doing next?
Next part chutneys. बस ये ready है. इसको थोड़ा सा
हो गया. Can you hear the sizzle?
yeah, that is magic.
चलो, who's the most sizzling heroine you like?
Yes.
I'm an old-fashioned man.
Then?
I'm Wahida Rahman.
अरे इतना old fashioned.
Very old-fashioned, yeah.
Aha.
चलिए, so this is also
Chef?
done. Plating.
Yes. Yummy.
ये है हमारी ब्यूटीफुल वेरी टैलेंटेड होम शेफ फराह खान का. सुंदर. Love the kick in your सुंदर.
Oh my God.
हमें तो बहुत मजा आया. फराह, जाने से पहले is there anything you'd like to say? Chef, would you like to say something to Farah?
Farah is fantastic.
Chef, yeah.
Just like your movies, I think you are brilliant, Farah.
And with that, guys, we come to the end of this epic IFA weekend story.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the State of Art, the beautiful, luxurious 5-star hotel, Conrad Hotels. All right, so our next guest, she's very energetic, she's very bubbly, she's very cute, she's very beautiful, and she's supremely talented. I'm talking about, hi. Hi,
talking about
Ananya.
me.
How are you?
It's Ananya Pandey.
Ananya Pandey for you. Told you, you guys are in for a good surprise. All right, how's it going, Ananya? How's it
It's going great.
How's IFA turning out for you this year?
It's bigger and better than I could have ever imagined.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Are you performing?
Yes,
this time?
it's my first stage performance ever. Like since school, this is the first time I'm performing, not like this.
Okay, okay.
I'll dance better than this. My voice will be better than this.
Okay, we have a few questions. It's
Okay.
gonna be rapid fire. You want it rapid fire or do you want
You're
it
gonna hamper?
school ka nickname?
Panda.
Why would somebody call you Panda?
Because my surname's Pandey.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Panda
And it's also
Pandey.
because I'm cute.
Ah, see, that's better. Ice cream or parathe?
Garam garam parathe.
Yeah, garam garam parathe. Good.
With lots of butter and ghee and just
You like all of that?
butter chicken.
But how do you maintain yourself then?
I maintain.
It just happens. Lucky people.
YOLO,
Some people
yeah,
even work
yeah.
out and they great. Okay, a quality your partner should have.
Sense of humor. Are we looking for people with a sense of humor? Please apply if you're funny.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
See. Okay. आपने कभी किसी के प्लेट से खाना चुराया?
मैं बहुत चुराती हूँ, पर if anyone dares like touching my food, I will.
You're like Joey, who doesn't share food.
I don't share my
Ananya
food.
doesn't share food.
I don't share food.
Okay,
But
got
I
it.
take everyone else's.
Joey.
Joey.
Yeah, correct. What is dhai and 1.5 rupees in English? Yeah, take your time.
Okay. Dhai
Dhai.
is half.
Yeah. Oh.
Or is it the opposite?
No, you're getting it.
Dhai is 2.5.
See, where did you get the answer from? You went from half to 2.5. Okay.
I was gonna say, like go like
Half
my
and
name's
two.
Bond, James Bond,
like
so half, 2.5.
Okay, nice. And date is?
Date is 1:45. 1.5. 1.5. Date is 1.5.
1:45. Okay.
1.5.
Okay, yes. Can you cook? अगर हाँ तो what is something that you're really good at cooking?
Maggie,
Yeah.
chai,
Yeah.
pasta.
They're ready to make pasta. Just like me.
Yeah.
Very nice. But thank you, Ananya. I'll see you very soon. I hope you have great rehearsals right now. पता है मैं किन के रूम के बाहर खड़ा हूँ? बता दूँ? इनके परफॉर्मेंस के लिए ना हम बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं because इनका परफॉर्मेंस हमेशा रॉकिंग होता है. छोटा पैकेज, बड़ा धमाका. So get ready to witness the very talented Neha Kakkar. Hi Neha, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Please tell me, what is this charm of yours?
बस लोगों का प्यार है.
Wait. Are you ready?
Yes, absolutely.
Let's start with, have you explored Yas Island, Abu Dhabi?
Oh yes. I guess more than twice for sure. I think 3 बार यास आइलैंड में बहुत मजे करे हैं.
Now, you're performing in IFA Rocks this time.
Yes.
हाँ जी. तो आप मुझे बताओ कि आपका rehearsals कैसे गया?
0 rehearsals.
So, आपने कोई rehearsal नहीं किया?
नहीं किया है. टाइम नहीं मिला एक्चुअली. My US tour is happening ना.
Oh.
हाँ, तो उसके लिए इतनी सारी चीजें हो रही हैं. Then shootings and concerts and all those things, recordings, सब कुछ finish करना था. उसकी वजह से टाइम ही नहीं मिल पाया. तो मैंने 0 rehearsal किया. मैं स्टेज पे पता नहीं क्या करने वाली हूँ.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is a busy woman who knows what she's doing. इतने hit songs, does it get difficult for you to choose from कि मैं कौन सा pick करूँ perform करने के लिए?
Definitely, बहुत difficult होता है और बड़ा proud भी feel होता है.
Of course.
Such a big number of songs I have in my kitty. सब माता रानी वाहिगुरु जी की वजह से है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा lucky हूँ मैं.
It's also your hard work. Let's not give everything to luck. It's also your hard work that you've put in.
For sure. वो तो बचपन से चल रहा है मेरा hard work.
This IFA 2022. What can we look forward to this year?
बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं. In fact, there are so many songs which I haven't sung. वो दूसरे लोगों के गाने हैं, वो मेरी आवाज में आने वाले हैं. मजा आने वाला है. मतलब बड़े मजेदार गाने हैं जो मैंने नहीं गाए हैं और मैं पहली बार गाऊंगी. तो it will be like Neha Kakkar's version.
Oh, that is. I'm not gonna bother you anymore. That was Neha Kakkar for you. We're gonna show you bits and pieces of her rehearsal as well. So stay tuned.
यार देखो टांग तो खींचेगी. मतलब मैं आया हूँ तो मस्ती तो होगी. मुझे देख के ना ऐसा हो जाता है थोड़े. देख मनीष ध्यान रखियो. हाँ वो. लेकिन कई ऐसे भी मनीष मेरी टांग जरूर खींचियो. नच पंजाब पड़े नच पंजाब पड़े नच पंजाब पड़े नच.
Who takes longer to get ready? Come on, Abhishek.
I think the answer to that would probably be me. I've always said she wakes up like this, man. It's
Nonsense.
Come to the magic, only at IFA. Welcome to the biggest show ever.
हम हैं एंटरटेनमेंट, लग्जरी और एडवेंचर के शहर यास आइलैंड अबू धाबी में. और यहाँ जहाँ भी देखो सब कुछ इतना लार्जर देन लाइफ है. एकदम संजय लीला भंसाली के सेट जैसा. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है. एंड लेट्स गो. आज है हम इस बहुत ही खूबसूरत सी यॉट पे. और यॉट पे आके ना दिल अपने आप ही फिल्मी हो जाता है. प्यार की कश्ती में, लहरों की मस्ती में. बाल उड़ भी नहीं रहे होते तो पीछे करने का मन करता है. मैंने तो बांध ही लिए हैं बिकॉज मेरी शादी हो चुकी है. ज्यादा रोमांटिक नहीं हो सकती हूँ. पर आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि सब ग्रैंड होना चाहिए, सब फिल्मी होना चाहिए आज इस यॉट पे. और आज सब कुछ फिल्मी होगा. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया आज सब कुछ बहुत ही फिल्मी होने वाला है. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. सो लेट्स गो.
इतना फिल्मी काफी है तुम्हारे लिए?
बहुत फिल्मी था, ये बिल्कुल भी प्लान नहीं था। And we have the great Vicky Kaushal with us, मेरे favorite, बहुत favorite. You're married now. You're a married man, and you know मैं इतने सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ, पर I would like to respect your privacy.
Really?
Not really. How is it going? Like, tell me, like, what do you feel as a married man?
It's going good, yaar. I really do feel settled in life. It's actually quite an appropriate word. But it's good, yaar. God is kind and everything's been good in my personal life and professional life. So,
What are you training for next? Because मैं इनकी इतनी Instagram stories देखती हूँ, हमेशा जिम में होते हैं और your diet is so strict, right? It is, right? Because there's some days when you'll eat a cheat meal and it's on your Instagram.
मैं बहुत चीट करता हूँ यार. कोई वो स्ट्रिक्ट ऑन पेपर होता है, बट मैं बहुत चीट करता हूँ. मैं आलू के पराठे के बिना नहीं रह सकता. एंड
मैंने सुना है कि इनके घर से बहुत अच्छे आलू के पराठे आते हैं.
हाँ.
मेरे विश्वसनीय सूत्रों ने मुझे बताया.
मेरी माँ बहुत अच्छे आलू के पराठे बनाती है. सफेद मक्खन, आम का अचार, लस्सी, बस बेस्ट.
Are you enjoying your IFI experience? It's happening after 2 years. It's been a while.
I am. I very much am, and I was actually looking forward to just celebrating Hindi cinema with the audience again. It's such a blessing to just be out there, you know, after this pandemic. And yeah, I'm really looking forward. Really, really looking forward.
विकी एक्टिंग करते हैं, हिंदी सिनेमा अपने आप सेलिब्रेट हो जाता है.
ओए होए होए.
It is true. Facts, absolute facts. How do your friends react to the fact that you're married to Katrina Kaif? I know, like, only because Katrina Kaif has existed before you became a star, and I'm sure, like, what is their reaction like?
Now they've gotten used to it. Because they were at the wedding and now they've hung around with her like quite too much. So, so now they're cool about it, and we really had a great time together.
You are a hydrophobic. गलत जगह ये सवाल पूछने का, but that's what came up in our research.
I am.
Really? ये क्या research किसने करी है? ये research amazing.
यार मैं I get very scared of deep water bodies. Like for me, Titanic is a very scary film after a point. So मैं तैर सकता हूँ, but I get very scared to be in the middle of the sea.
Last one. That you were the chillest groom ever.
ये कौन है ये बंदा? ये तो बहुत ही internal source है यार.
मेरी विश्वसनीय सूत्र.
That's what I heard from people around me, that they kept saying that because जो भी होता था कि engagement है, मेहंदी है, ये है, फलाना है, तो जो टाइम दिया जाता था उतने समय तक तो मैं बिल्कुल ही शॉर्ट्स और टी-शर्ट में चिल कर रहा होता था, और मेरे दोस्त यार शेरवानी पहन के रेडी हो जाते थे. मैंने कहा मुझे करना क्या है, नहाना है, कपड़े बदलने में 10 मिनट लगने हैं. तो I those 3 days were the best 3 days of my life.
But thank you so much, Vicky, for giving us your time. I hope you win tonight. Irrespective, we will be cheering for you because we love you.
Hi, Vicky sir. I'm Samiksha.
Hi sir, I'm Adnan.
Hi Adnan. Hi Samiksha.
हम आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं.
आपके नजर में रियल कंटेंट क्या है?
Anything that is imperfect is real for me. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है रियल चीज कभी परफेक्ट नहीं होती. हमें हमारी imperfections ही रियल बनाती हैं. That's what I keep in mind when I'm performing. कि वो थोड़ी सी उसमें imperfections हो तो वो ज्यादा रियल लगेगा. तभी मुझे वो देखने का मन भी करता है. तभी मुझे वो ज्यादा क्लिक भी करता है और रियल लगता है.
करेक्ट. इसलिए कहते हैं सर कि जब हम कंटेंट के साथ साथ कभी ब्लूपर्स भी बनाते हैं तो ब्लूपर्स कई बार ज्यादा
चलते हैं क्योंकि वो रियल लगते हैं.
रियल होते हैं. So yeah, imperfection is real.
Our next guest, you a great introduction for her, okay? She's done so many films that you can't really count. From entertainment to the biggest film that we've seen, Bahubali. Let's go and see the very gorgeous, the very talented Tamanna Bhatt. Hi, how are you?
I am in heaven. I mean, just look at this place. I have never seen an aquarium so stunning. यहाँ पे birds भी हैं. It's almost like a live experience. You feel like you're literally in an actual jungle. Oh, it's beautiful. Like, thank you. It's a lovely place.
Just to tell you guys, we're at Alcana's National Aquarium and this is a great place. Clearly, entertainment का बहुत बढ़िया बंदोबस्त कर रखा है इन्होंने. So, let's go and explore.
Let's do that.
Awesome. Okay, clearly, you've come to Abu Dhabi earlier. You've come before. Today you landed, I know, and I've pulled you out here. Sorry for that, but
No, actually, I should thank you because I am someone who is not very adventurous.
Okay.
And also, I know that I would have never really gone deep sea diving.
Okay.
This is the closest I could have gotten to that.
But you
because
should go deep sea diving.
मुझे डर लगता है actually. So उस चक्कर में I think this is the closest I could have gotten, and the visual, just the kind of fishes that are there, I have never seen in my life.
It's beautiful.
So I should thank you for today's the setup that you made. It's beautiful.
I'm glad. So we're gonna have some fun questions that we're gonna ask you. Okay. Let's start with very simple. This or that. Okay. So, food or romance?
It's very difficult. And what kind of a question is this?
I don't know. They've said this for me, and if you had to quit something,
can't it be romance and food together? Like, isn't that a
like
good
Joey.
combination?
It's like you're like Joey.
I'm a female version of Joey.
Female version of Joey. Okay. Would you prefer tea or coffee? Are you
coffee? I'm a big coffee. What? Yeah.
So black coffee. Is it black coffee or is it regular?
So you want to know my coffee order?
Yes, I would love to.
It's a very interesting.
Is it a Starbucks order? Or
yeah, it is a Starbucks order, but it's very peculiar.
I'm getting this.
It's
awesome.
It's 2 shots of espresso, 2 spoons of milk, and almond milk foam just halfway up into the cup. Now you know my coffee order.
Wow.
It's not as complicated as it sounds, but I made it sound really fancy.
Yeah, it's fancy for sure. Okay. Next, we know you're a great actor.
Thank you.
We're gonna give you situations, and you have to just give us enact to it.
Okay, like I need to perform it. You're saying?
Yeah. Okay. Like enact. It's gonna be very basic situations. Okay. Like let's say this IFA, you win an award. So what would be your reaction be? Like, it has to be like in like a 2-3 seconds.
Like a. Yeah, that'll be my experience.
You're nominated for something, but you were about to get it. You thought you were getting it, but one of the other persons got it. Like some other actor got it. What would your reaction be then? Yeah. Yeah. And then the camera again pans at you, and then you're like, awesome. Awesome. All right. What if you find out that somebody's better dressed than you in this IFA? Then what would your reaction be?
अभी बहुत late हो गया ना, मतलब you can't do anything. Once you're on the red carpet, then you just make your most fierce pose and you just look your best. Because क्या कर सकते हैं? उसके कपड़े you can't go and like.
And what if
the next best thing is look nice.
Okay, and if you had to teach me like a dance move.
Dance move. We keep doing so many challenges. I don't know. I feel like a.
All right. Okay.
It's the most easiest thing you can do in a club. You can do it in an aquarium.
It'll work.
It's a very versatile step.
Yeah.
It always feels like you're driving to some place, but actually
and vibing.
You're not going anywhere.
Just stuck there. Awesome. Woo! This has been great, Tamanna. Thank you so much. Before you leave, I really need to take your blessings because now my Instagram is gonna go.
जीते रहो, सुखी रहो, बहुत सारे पैसे कमाओ और enjoy करो life को.
Thank you so much, Tamanna. This has been fun. I hope you had fun.
I had a ball. Thank you.
यार देखो टांग तो खींचेगी, मतलब मैं आया हूँ तो मस्ती तो होगी. मुझे देख के ना ऐसा हो जाता है थोड़े. देख मनीष ध्यान रखियो हाँ वो. लेकिन कई ऐसे भी मनीष मेरी टांग जरूर खींचियो. नच पंजाब पड़े नच पंजाब पड़े नच पंजाब पड़े नच.
Who takes longer to get ready? Come on, Abhishek.
I think the answer to that would probably be me. I've always said she wakes up like this, man. It's
nonsense.
Come to the magic, only at IFA. Welcome to the biggest show ever.
हम आईफा वीकेंड 2022 को ला चुके हैं यास आइलैंड अबू धाबी में वीकेंड के स्टार्स को लेकर. और जिससे नेक्स्ट मिलने वाले हैं ना, उनका पेट्रोल स्पिरिट बातें कुछ खत्म नहीं होता है.
एक मिनट, मतलब पेट्रोल खत्म नहीं होता. क्या मैं लोगों का पेट्रोल बचाऊंगा? कैसी हो?
Thank you so much for doing this. और मुझे क्या लगता है ना, मैं क्या ही इंटरव्यू करूंगी आपको. मतलब I think he's going to be interviewing himself and me and everybody who's here.
देखो बड़े दिन बाद मुझे मौका मिला इंटरव्यू देने का, मैं बिल्कुल दूंगा।
अब तो आज स्टार माम की मूवी आ रही है, एब्सोल्युटली। आज आप किसकी टांग खींचने वाले हैं? मतलब क्या प्लान्स हैं? क्योंकि टांग तो खींचेगी किसी की।
यार देखो टांग तो खींचेगी, मतलब मैं आया हूँ तो मस्ती तो होगी। तो इनफैक्ट अभी बहुत सारे हैं जो मुझे देख के ना ऐसा हो जाते हैं थोड़े, देख मनीष ध्यान रखियो, हाँ वो वाला है। लेकिन कई ऐसे भी हैं जो आगे बोलते हैं, हाय मनीष मेरी टांग जरूर खींचियो, हाँ वी विल हैव फन। तो मुझे अच्छा ये लगता है कि अब जब भी मैं कोई शो होस्ट कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे ज्यादा कॉल ये आ रहे होते हैं कि मनीष आई विल बी देयर इन द ऑडियंस, सो यू कैन हैव फन विद मी ब्रो, तू मजा करना ये, सो दैट इज अ गुड थिंग।
मेरा तो पहला टाइम है अबू धाबी में, आप तो आते रहते हैं, यू आर वेल ट्रैवल्ड।
नहीं
वॉक करें
आज फिर से मुझे सिंगल वाली फीलिंग आ रही है। आई वुड लव टू वॉक, कम ऑन यार, चलते चलते बात करें।
So I have some questions for you. You know, करना पड़ता है, games तो खेलनी पड़ती है,
I love it. Let's go for it.
So I'm going to pick some features from Yas Island.
Okay.
And आपको associate करना उसको एक Bollywood personality से.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's start.
हाँ.
Fastest roller coaster.
According to me, Varun Dhawan.
Yeah.
Because वो जितना इंटू कटलेट, जितनी एनर्जी है उसमें, हेलो कैसे हैं आप, बड़ी अच्छी लग रही हो। तो जितने एनर्जी बहुत कमाल है, क्या भाई। Yeah, absolutely. Come here.
Should we do one dance?
Yeah, come.
Let's do one dance, okay?
We love you guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Yes. All you have to do is take your hand like this, and okay.
Yeah.
And do one. You have to do this. Okay.
Okay, one.
Okay, like this. Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. नच पंजाब पड़े, नच पंजाब पड़े, नच पंजाब पड़े, नच होए, नच पंजाब पड़े, नच पंजाब पड़े, नच पंजाब पड़े. I love it. Awesome. I love that. And when you go back to your country, anybody asks you who's your favorite actor, Manish Paul. अपने फैन खुद बनाने पड़ते हैं. I love it. Thank you.
You're looking at a global superstar, a global icon, and a worldwide success.
Thank you.
Mr. Manish Paul.
Thank you so much.
चलें फिर go karting करने.
यार, चलो.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you about this?
यार कसम से मुझे ना सफोकेटिंग लग रहा है बट
कभी कभी जीतने के लिए हारना पड़ता है और हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं।
मजा आ गया यार, मेरा बड़ा मन था कुछ कि मैं एक बार ये करूं लाइफ में।
बजा
For the guys that I'm speaking to right now, for me, they're the ultimate, the original power couple of Bollywood. उन्होंने पहले एक दूसरे से कहा कुछ ना कहो और अब 15 साल हो गए हैं बस एक दूसरे की बातें सुन रहे हैं. It's amazing. It is Abhishek Bachchan and the wonderful, the gorgeous. I can't believe it. I'm saying this. जी हाँ, I'm breathing the same air as her. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Aishwarya and Abhishek, welcome to IFA Weekend.
Thank you so much for having us. And those kind words, yeah.
Very, very sweet words and very, very generous with the appreciation. But lots of love to you too. Thank you. Thank you for having us here.
IFA 2022. Finally, 2 साल के बाद, we're here. We're celebrating with the entire industry once again. And this time, Yas Island, Abu Dhabi. How excited are you guys for it this time around?
Very. You know, IFA is like family to the two of us. And now after the last very odd 2 years that I think everybody has had, to be back together, for them to be able to pull this off and get the entire film industry together, I think it's so wonderful.
Well, IFA में आप दोनों का association, as you rightly said, बहुत सालों का रहा है. And every time Abhishek performs on stage, I love to see you.
I love to see your reaction because that's just the best. इस बार भी आप perform कर रहे हैं, am I right?
हाँ जी.
तो इस बार क्या plan है ऐश्वर्या मुझे बताइए. I mean, I want to see, I want to know everything.
Real. I always keep it real. जैसा है वैसा है. खुशी से मना रहे हैं, celebrate कर रहे हैं, and you know he's. It's all about him in his performances. You know, it's about having fun, having a good time, putting out that positivity, and you know, get everybody into the mood. That's his spirit. He brings his vibe to it, and it's fabulous to celebrate that energy together. And of course, I'm his champion.
Yes, you're the loudest cheerleader. We know that.
Absolutely. So there we are, and there we'll be in full celebration with everybody.
अभी आपने हमारे ऊपर प्रेशर डाल दिया है क्योंकि अगर आज ठीक से नाचा नहीं मेरे तो इनका कोई रिएक्शन नहीं मिलेगा.
अब अभिषेक आप सोच लीजिए क्योंकि अब जो है आपने सही कहा प्रेशर और सिर्फ आप पर है.
जी वो तो है.
Alright, some quick questions coming your way.
Alright.
Do you guys both take very little time to get ready, or who takes longer to get ready? Come on, Abhishek.
I think the answer to that would probably be me.
I thought so. I don't know why.
Because like I've always said, she wakes up like this, man.
What nonsense.
It's really demoralizing.
Absolutely.
You know, all of us are like, you know, the struggle, the hustle is real, and she wakes up like this.
Come on, it goes with the turf. You're a chick, you're a female, you're a lady, you know. It takes us all longer because there's so much else that has to get done.
But let's just say God was a little more biased when it came to you, okay? I'm going to keep it real. God was biased when it came to you, Aishwarya. Let's just say it as it is. With that, thank you so much. I wish you all the very best for your performance today. And as you know, I'm going to be super excited to watch you, Aishwarya, while he's performing. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great time here.
Thank you, and all the very best. Thank you.
मेरे सारे पार्टनर्स इन क्राइम हमारे फेवरेट स्टार्स के साथ मस्ती मार रहे हैं. सोचा मैं भी प्रिंसेस के साथ थोड़ा हैंग आउट कर लूं. ये थोड़ी अतरंगी हैं, पर एकदम चकाचक. और मैं इनसे कहना चाहता हूं कि नो इनसे हमेशा लव आजकल करते रहेंगे. लगता है आ गए हैं. हाय, हाउ आर यू? आपके एक्सप्रेशन से लग रहा है कि आप अबू धाबी यास आइलैंड में एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए मेरे साथ तैयार हैं.
चलो.
चलिए. वैसे सारा, आपका यास आइलैंड अबू धाबी में अब तक का आइफा में एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है?
मेरा नेक्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा रहा है. पहली बार आई हूँ मैं अबू धाबी. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
और सारा, अब तक की आपकी जो फिल्म की जर्नी रही है उसमें सबसे चैलेंजिंग रोल कौन सा?
हर रोल अपने तरीकों से चैलेंजिंग होता है. बट आई डेफिनेटली थिंक कि अतरंगी रे काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग था क्योंकि उसमें एक्शन भी था, डांस भी था, कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर था. आई थिंक दैट वाज प्रोबेबली मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग.
That was your problem. You like long drives? आपको लंबे ड्राइव्स पसंद हैं? हाँ. Was your आपका सबसे फेवरेट गाना कौन सा है कि लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे तो ये गाना तो?
I think when I'm going on long drives, like you know, Nusrat Sir's vibes is like amazing. You know, Allahu अखियाँ उड़ीक दिया, सांसों की माला, like वही गाने, you know, हवा चले, अच्छा लगे, हाँ. मजेदार.
Alright. मैंने ये भी पढ़ा है कि अतरंगी रे देख के आपके पापा सैफ अली खान जी रो दिए थे. ये सच है कि? सच है ना?
सच है. और मुझे
क्या था उनका वो फीलिंग एक्सपीरियंस?
उन्होंने मुझे फोन किया और उन्होंने कहा that I've been crying watching your performance and I've been crying watching Anand ji's work because I think that it is so special and I'm so happy that my father liked my work. You know, it was a different kind of pride that I felt to have made my father feel moved. You know, it was a big deal for me.
Yes, exactly. What is your, like, you know, the most extreme adventurous experience that you've had?
I've done scuba diving. I don't want to jump off a plane. No.
Okay.
No. I promised my mom I won't.
Okay.
I've been wanting to actually, but now I'm priming myself to believe that I don't want to because I won't be allowed to.
That's so sweet.
Yeah, I'm a trekker. I love trekking. I try to go for a trek at least twice a year. So yeah, that's about it.
And आप इस बार आइफा में परफॉर्म भी कर रहे हैं?
हाँ जी.
तो how are you feeling about that? क्या एक्सपीरियंस लग रहा है आपको?
Excited हूँ. ये बोल दूँ.
Excited हैं आप?
Nervous भी हूँ. I think that my first ever live performance was at IFA.
Okay.
2 years ago. So it's kind of nice to be back to IFA, but out of India. It's my first performance ever abroad. I think it's great, you know. It's such a gratifying feeling to see, you know, well-wishers happy to see you.
This was a wonderful drive. Thank you, Sara.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
And right now, we're at this uber cool, breathtaking venue called Cafe Del Mar. I mean, look around. How stunning is this? The only thing that it's missing is a little bit of music. But don't worry, I got you covered. ओके आईफा वीकेंड की ओपनिंग नाइट पर जो म्यूजिकल चांद लगने वाले हैं, चलिए उनसे मैं आपको मिलवाती हूँ. ऑलराइट, say hello to the very talented and the extremely gorgeous looking Zara Khan, Aziz Kaur, and of course gorgeous too Ashki. I would not take that away from you. And the very handsome Tanish Bagchi. Hello guys, give yourselves a round of applause and each other as well. Wonderful. कैसे हैं आप सभी?
Very amazing, happening, cool. You have to be.
Okay.
What about you?
Nervous.
Nervous.
And excited at the same time.
I'm super excited because for me it's my first IFA performing, so it's very special.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the vibes of Abu Dhabi and of these great artists around me. So but I'm still nervous as well to see what you're gonna read and make us do.
Well, I have a couple of things up my sleeve. Actually, I don't have sleeves today, but I have a couple of things planned for you guys. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. Big game खेलते हैं. ठीक है? तो मैं आपको कुछ हटके situations देने वाली हूँ. आपको उस पर एक फिटिंग गाना हमें सुनाना है. All right? Okay, सबसे पहला situation. आप ट्रैफिक में हो और मीटिंग के लिए आप लेट हो रहे हो. तब आप कौन सा गाना?
वाह, ट्रैफिक में हो और मीटिंग के लिए लेट हो रहे हो. हाँ, मखना गाओ.
मैं छोड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, अब तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना, ये पागल सा है ट्रैफिक यारा ओ मखना वे मखना, मैं छोड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना.
Fabulous. All right. The final situation, a song for IFA 2022.
We should sing Tamma Tamma.
Tamma Tamma loge.
Woo!
Tamma Tamma loge, Tamma Tamma.
Fabulous, guys. Give yourselves once again a round of applause. Truly deserve it.
And rest in peace, Papi Lahiri.
Absolutely. तो यहाँ का महफिल तो खत्म हो चुका है, लेकिन आईफा का सिलसिला चलता रहेगा, and we will all catch you there. Don't forget to catch the 4 of them in action at IFA 2022. And with that, this is me, Galen, and the wonderful 4 saying goodbye. Guys, all together, IFA 2022. Let's go. IFA 2022!